Head mountain water. I found the fountain of youth. Toby, what do you think? Look good to you?
Yeah, I got this.
You gonna drink out of it?
I should have popcorn.
Or you ever want to do dance? Can't see nothing but your head. Alright, here.
Yo.
Video me
Yo.
getting,
My phone's dying.
video me getting some
We don't want this stupid
nasty bad water. Here,
That's terrible.
hold the camera line.
My finger got in the way.
Ooh, look at the slime.
I know.
Toby, watch out, watch out. Here, someone take a picture of me. Hey, I want to get some water. I want to get it.
Let me get the jug filled up.
Somebody take a picture of me getting it. Hurry, my phone's about to die.
Always got something.
All right. Bye.
Don't go yet.
Dump it in
Drinking it?
water on this.
Good water in it. There ain't no more jugs we can get it in. Look in the car. See if we got any more jugs.
We need to bring more water.
Jugs.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, do that pose again you did a while ago.
Like that.
Okay.
Ow!
Toby, don't you do that again.
Stop smacking my butt.
She ain't your girlfriend.
Don't even
What
do that
is
to your
wrong
girlfriend.
with this thing?
It won't
Well,
stop.
that's some nasty slime and sludge, ain't it? They need to come clean it.
Oh, get a stick.
Well, what is? You think? Disgusting?
Disgusting.
Didn't your daddy used to come get water from there? When?
Disgusting.
Kid.
It's disgusting.
Well,
Whoa,
hold that for me.
Disgusting.
Is there a lid?
Well, we're here at Caesar's Head's popular, what do you call that? Fountain of Youth. And just filling up a few Deer Park water bottles. So, it's real natural spring water now, not out of a faucet. Tap water. Alright. Next time, guys, got a black shirt. Dixonville Dudes, along with Hovinator, Slim Sadie, and my old lady. See ya. Y'all thought that was funny, didn't you?
Do you have the lid? Put the lid on.